Well, September 7th. No, sorry, September 8th. It was just, the fog was really extremely thick. And it's just pulled back. My only chance for a video is right here where it's high tide right now and going down, but this is my only real spot to get a video. Everything else is fogged out, but the fog is pulling back and the sun is burning through, so that's all. That sun is going to help get rid of the fog. I just have to hope that I have some Kleenex here for the camera lens, which I probably don't. Oh, I do. It's a miracle. Thank goodness. My eye really can't distinguish where the fog wall really ends, but the camera can. The camera has a much better eye than I do. And as you can see, I'm not working with too much space, but I'm hoping that the fog goes out further. I'm out in front of the tree blind now. Out in front of the blind because there's too many water drips, and I was stupid enough not to bring my umbrella. The umbrella that covers the tripod. If I had that, I could relax by the tripod and film away. pretty sure this is Angelica, those plants there. It does look like cow parsnip, but the cow parsnip doesn't have the, why, it's just slightly different. So Angelica and cow parsnip, and I think it's the water hemlock. They're very similar. Very similar. And these are not small plants. They can grow to 10 feet tall. The cow parsnip can grow to 10 feet tall, so I'm sure the Angelica, which I already have 7-foot specimens around me, can grow that high too. The fossil site is right over there at that dark point of land. That's where Blue the reptile fossil sits. The best I can hope for is for some ducks or cormorant or a seal to come around. Hoping for this fog to go out before 7 anyway. Yeah, it's quite a spot. You never know what you're going to get to film when you come down. When the weather's like this, the eagles fly really low. It's not uncommon to see an eagle flying swiftly about 5 feet off the ground, because the fog up above makes it hard for it to navigate, and so the eagle kind of flies above the water and land. It knows every detail. Alright, I'll give this video a break and hope for the fog to back off.